Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Today's reading is going to be like a pick a card love reading, guys. So this is your first card, your second card, and this is your third card. So you can close your eyes, think about your situation, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with the first card, guys, after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading. I will keep these cards aside. So this is your first card for those who have chosen this card. This is the Crystal Tarot we have here for you guys. And the energy with this card is you need to speak your truth. So whatever you have in your heart and whatever you know is the truth, and go for that heartfelt communication. So if you love this person and if you want this relationship to work, you have to be open about what you feel about them or what you feel about this love and this connection, guys. So you have to speak out the truth. Only then that person will know what is there in your mind, and this connection will move towards a deep, meaningful bond. So you need to tell the truth, what you feel in your heart of heart, guys. So you deserve to be heard, just like that person also deserves to be heard. So you should listen to their words also, so what they feel. So if you have that mutual heart to heart communications, things are going to change for the better, guys. That is what I see with this card, and that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who have chosen the first card. I will keep it here. So let's see what is your second card, guys. So for those who have chosen this card, the second card, it is chop wood. So this card just means that we have to be humble, grounded, really practical. So sometimes in our day-to-day life we face some boring situation. So something interesting may not be there today in our love situation, but you need not bother about that. So not every day will be some kind of an adventure. So some days there, those days will be less than ordinary. So during those times, you just need to be with this person you love. So instead of getting bored and irritated, you can spend meaningful time with them, hold hands, have a meal together, take care of your plants or pets together, wash dishes, read a book, say nothing but just stare into the sky and just breathe, just be there with them. So just being together is what is going to work that miracle today, guys. So if you are bored and if you don't know what you need to do today, you just be with this person and you will get the right answers you need today, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this card, the second card. So let's see what is the third card for y'all, guys. It's an angel card, Archangel Raphael. So the energy with this card is healing, guys. So this is the time for you to heal emotionally, physically, spiritually and mentally. So whatever you need to do, you have to take it up. Maybe if we want a healthy lifestyle, we do exercise and we follow dieting the same way. for our emotional health. Whatever we need to do, you need to do that, guys. Maybe for some of you, if you are interested in meditation or some kind of a ritual, chanting something that gives you that harmony, happiness in your heart, you can take up that practice, guys. So that will be benefiting you greatly today, and you will be healing from your past or whatever hurts you have in your heart, guys, and you will be moving towards that positive lifestyle, guys. For those who have chosen this third card, that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.